Welcome back, Amani Angels. Today is a lifestyle mini vlog, and I'm going to wash my hair. It is long overdue, and I wanted to get some new shampoo and conditioner, so I went to Walmart and I saw these for the first time, and I decided to try them. So I'm going to let you guys know what I think about it. Let's go ahead and do the shampoo. Now, I need to get a little bit better about reading ingredients and, seeing what's all in it, but it looked really cute. I kind of glanced over it in the store, and so we're just going to go for it. I did shampoo twice. The first lather wasn't really doing much, and I was thinking, oh, I made a big mistake. But it probably just had a lot of product in my hair. The second time I shampooed, the lather was amazing. The smell and fragrance of this shampoo is also amazing. So now we're going to go ahead and put the conditioner in. It says that you can use any conditioner with any shampoo. And so I got this conditioner. It's supposed to have biotin in it. Maybe it'll help with thickening of my hair. But so this also smells really good, guys. And as you can see here, I am detangling while I have the conditioner in. The directions did say to leave the conditioner in for about 5 minutes, so this was perfect for me to go ahead and take this opportunity to do a detangle and really just work the conditioner throughout my hair. So I'm going to link an older video from my other account from when I was doing the rice water treatments in my hair. I really, wasn't too concerned about length, but I did want to try to thicken my hair because it seems the older I get, the more my hair, it seems like to me that it's thinning. So I definitely want to try to work on this thickness, and I've been told that biotin helps with that. So this conditioner, like you guys see, is supposed to have biotin in it, and so maybe that'll help. But it did smell really good. It made my hair really soft and silky smooth. So yeah, I think I'm liking it. Yeah, so I may this may be a product that I use from now on, but too early to tell. This is just the first time. So yeah, I do want to get better at doing some type of hair care routine, and stop having that lazy natural mentality where I'm just not ever doing anything, not even moisturizing and oiling my hair, because my hair stays thirsty. Okay, it stays thirsty. So I'm gonna try to do better at taking care of my hair and just loving on my hair and appreciating my hair. I do take vitamin E pills. Now I take those for liver health, but as you know, vitamin E is also great for your hair. So, okay, I've rinsed out the conditioner. Let's see how those curls are gonna pop. Oh man, look at that, y'all. The shrinkage is real, but let me tell you, my hair smells great. The curls were bouncing all over the place. It looked really good. I really like the way my hair feels. It's not dry, it's not sticky, it's really soft and smooth. So I'm really, at this point, I'm looking at my hair and I'm really liking it. But I'm definitely going to go and get my favorite leave-in conditioner. Now, I did look for a leave-in conditioner within that Heritage brand, and I don't know if they just didn't have any or if it was sold out, but I didn't see any. So it's okay, though, because I have a favorite leave-in conditioner, and so I'm going to go get it so you guys can see me put that in my hair. Yeah, these curls looked amazing. I was so satisfied with the way they look, the way they feel. They're just bouncing. Yeah, I really do. So far, I think I'm liking this new Heritage shampoo and conditioner. So this is like my all-time favorite leave-in conditioner. I've been using this leave-in conditioner for years, y'all. I love it. I love the way it feels on my hair. It doesn't make my hair flaky. It doesn't, make my hair clump up. It doesn't make it sticky. It doesn't turn white. It feels really good on my hair. I wish that after I put it in, that I still could have had the scent of the conditioner and the shampoo, because they really do smell good as well. And it's a new scent for me. I'm used to smelling this leave-in conditioner. But anywho, so as you can see, I use a lot of leave-in conditioner because, like I told you guys before, my hair stays thirsty. Like it gets dry really quick. So I always try to put a good amount of leave-in conditioner in, and I'll probably put some more in tomorrow. But I'm gonna go ahead and just, really, really get it throughout my hair, from the root to the tips. I'm gonna massage it through, and then I'm gonna brush through it. Well, in this case, I couldn't find my detangler brush. I was using a wig brush, and it just wasn't working. So I'm gonna eventually comb through it. You guys will see that. And then I'm just gonna give myself two little ponytail braids on each side, and just let it do what it do. I'm gonna take those braids out tomorrow and see what a braid out is gonna look like. I generally don't like to do twist out and braid outs, but we're gonna see how it's gonna look tomorrow. So yeah, so as you can see here, I am just going to be combing through it and get those braids in. So do y'all have a hair routine? And if you do, let me know in the comments, like, what do you normally do as part of your hair routine? Do you have certain days that you do your wash? Do you do co-washes? What are some protective styles that you like to do? How often do you put heat in your hair if you are natural? Just, let me know some of the routines that you guys do. What are some products that you use? Like I said, I'm just now trying this Heritage for the first time. What products do you guys use? So I know there's something I really want to work on, is having a hair care routine. I need to have a face care routine, facial routine, or whatever you want to call it. I said this last year and I never did do it. I really need to do it and just try to take care of my face. Also, I really need to, I ain't gonna say need, but I do want to do a morning routine as well as a night routine. These are just things that, I don't have in place. Do you guys have something like that already in place that you do on a regular basis? Even with me braiding right here, y'all, my hair is so soft and silky and smooth. And, I really love the way that the shampoo and the conditioner and the leave-in conditioner working all together really just has my hair feeling so smooth, smelling so good. And we're just going to see how well, it stays moisturized tomorrow. To see whether or not I need to add any more leave-in conditioner in it. If it does pretty good tomorrow and it looks like it's still really good and moisturized, then I know I have a good combination as far as moisturization goes. So that's a good thing. I mean, look at these curls. Look how well I'm able to just comb right through it. I'm telling you, it smells good. It feels good. I think I really found a good combination. So yeah, I'm gonna sleep in these two pigtails tonight, and then tomorrow I'm going to take them out, see how it looks, check the moisture of my hair, and we're gonna go from there. I am going to give you guys an update, probably not tomorrow, maybe in the next couple of days, and just let you know how I'm liking the new shampoo and conditioner. Now, if you guys use this brand, or if you've heard of this brand, or if you've seen this brand in Walmart or any other store, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think about it, especially if you've used it before. Did you like it? What are your thoughts on the Heritage brand? I had thought about dyeing and touching up my grays, but nah, I'm gonna leave it the way it is. Salt and pepper, baby. Well, listen, I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for spending some of your time with me today, and I hope to see you on the next video.